everybody, just catching back up with you. So as we had talked about before in the previous videos, we'd gone over certain ways to cut metal, and I'd been to actually cutting this 1/4 inch stock here. It's 1 1/4 or 1.5 inches wide, 1/4 inch thick, and that's when the blade kind of ate the shit. You know, I got about halfway into a project with it, and as you saw in all the other videos, I was able to knock out most of the bed frame with it. But I got halfway into the 1/4 inch, and blade's probably not the best route for that. It does make the cleanest cut though. It's beautiful. Like I said, I got a stack over there, if you can see that. Whole stack over there. Looks great. But I had to switch back over to plasma cutting, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you today. We're actually getting more on topic here. We're showing how to make metal brackets. I saw a British fellow online, showed me a few tips and tricks. So I thought I'd share with you all. And we're going to start with plasma cutting, which is a little cheaper. It just kind of eats up more of the metal. It's not nearly as clean as you can see right here. It's just kind of not quite as clean. You got to do a little more prep work. So without further ado, we're going to get started on that. I'm going to make a cut here. Assistant Fred here with the ring. Yeah, like I said, not the cleanest, but we're going to go ahead and roll over to the pre-prepared unit I have over here. So the trick is to actually cut halfway into this. So you're going to cut about halfway down into this to make the metal more pliable. It's a little easier to work with. So you don't have to have a fancy forge. I saw a lot of these videos where you got to have a forge, and I don't have that, you know. This is what I have. So you can use this, or you can use like a angle grinder. I actually was half tempted to use that, but in this video I'm going to show you how the blade works, because it's a little different. So I've kind of been all about this, so here we go with this. So what you're accomplishing here is you're scoring the blade. You're scoring the metal a little bit, right? Makes it a little easier to bend. I know this is archaic, okay? I don't have the vice grip set up just yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and give this a bend. Ooh, cut it just right. And you know, if you screw it up and you break it in half, it's a little sketchy doing this, but if you do end up breaking it in half, you know, you can still work with it. I'm sure you can figure it out. Just get magnets or something to hold it together, but for now we're just bringing this to a 90. Got our 90 right there. Now we're bringing it over to the welding station. Okay, and this is the part where probably going to get the authorities called on me, because it's plugged into my dryer apparatus here, my welder. Okay. Yeah. Judge me.
Probably didn't have to tell them that, but that's
yeah, put it in the comments. Fucking try me. Alright. I think most people watching this probably don't care too much about the laws and regulations anyways. I would imagine. Oh, you should have seen this before. We're totally like cutting and welding, and there's like acetone, a reducer, gasoline, cardboard, me welding in shorts, Fred over there in his flip-flops. Yeah, so check this out. This is really cool.
Hold on.
Fred, don't blind yourself.
Let me switch sides.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
So, as you see here, folks, you got pretty much all your steel there. Beautiful weld. And yeah, that's how you make a bracket. I'm actually making this for shelving in my pantry, so you know, it's actually pretty damn durable. I imagine it'll hold up anything I need it to. If it doesn't, I'll send you pictures and videos about how all my stuff fell on the floor. But
It's gonna hold up bread, cans, and pasta, so it should be fine.
And possibly gold bars. I don't know. We'll see. All right. Yep.